Bhavesh Chauhan, Senior Research Analyst with Angel Stockbroking, joins us to tell us about how life will change for Sesa Goa and Sterlite Industries after the ban after Goa government banned mining operations in the state. Bhavesh, good morning. Thank you for joining us. Have you done some numbers that how life will change for Sesa Goa and Sterlite Industries?
Yeah, firstly for Sesa Goa, the ban couldn't have come at a better time because 2Q, second quarter of the fiscal, is a seasonally weak quarter for them. So in this case, the Goan mines, they do not operate at full utilization, and there is very little sales volume coming out of Goa, and it contributes close to 10 to 12% of the annual volumes during the second quarter of the fiscal. Now, having said that, now there is no clarity on the timelines as to when up to when the mines could remain, the ban could remain on the mine. So we are currently neutral on the stock. Also Sesa for the combined entity Sesa Sterlite, this operations Sesa Goa contributes close to 22% of the SOTP valuations. Hence, Sterlite is also declined, as you have seen today. So we are neutral on both the stock at the moment.
Bhavesh, so what is your call on Sesa Goa now in terms of, are you changing your rating on the stock, lowering your target price?
As of now, no, the stock is under review currently, and hence we recommend neutral to the clients, and we'll review it as and when events unfold, and probably we believe that a week or two of ban wouldn't have a significant impact. I mean, 2 to 3% of annual sales volume would be lower, so that wouldn't have a big impact. But as of now, we are awaiting more clarity on this.
Bhavesh, what is your sense on the overall metal space though, or rather steel sector in particular? Is there money to be made, in particular from names like Tata Steel?
Yeah, in fact, Tata Steel is our top pick in the ferrous space. At 370, 380 euro, it's trading quite cheap on valuation front. Going forward, iron ore prices have declined significantly over the past 6 months. If you see, now we expect iron ore prices to increase over the next 6 to 8 months, given that international iron ore prices are well below marginal cost of production for many of the Chinese players. So going forward, as and when there is increase in iron ore prices, the steel price globally will rebound, and that should help the steel companies. So at current valuation, Tata Steel looks quite good.
What is the real problem for Sesa Goa? Do you think more than mining in state of Goa, it is the global environment which is the key challenge for Sesa Goa?
I think for Sesa Goa, there have been various challenges, not only global environment. If you see, royalty has increased from 5% over the before 3 years to 30%. The iron ore price have slid significantly from somewhere around 180 to close to $90. Apart from that, there are volume constraints in Goa. There is ban on Karnataka mining. So over the last 2 years, we have seen that Sesa Goa has been hit by various factors. Going forward, I think the stock price performance will be determined mainly by the consolidated and operational performance of consolidated entities, Sesa Sterlite.